This beautiful home is located right off Halls Ferry Road in Warren County and is sure to fit all of your wants and needs in your homebuying search. With approximately 1,591 square feet of heated and cooled space, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, with a 12 by 14 wired workshop. Kitchen has all new appliances with a dine-in area. The central air and heating is also new. This property had a total renovation. The property sits on a 1-acre lot with a lot of backyard space including a patio. The home features a fireplace using propane where the owner has the option to insert gas logs. Call your favorite realtor to view this home today.